take your long-term goals, take your short-term goals, put it on a timeline, and I reverse engineer it backwards just to give you an idea of what programs might get you there the fastest, because you might qualify for multiple programs. Most people actually do qualify for multiple programs, and qualifying for multiple programs, how do you know which one works best? A lot of times, the first thing people say is, well, give me the lowest interest rate. But that might not be the best thing for you. First of all, not all interest rates are created equal. Yes, a lower rate is always important. Yes, a lower rate always prevails over a higher rate if it's the same type of rate. But if it's a different type of rate, simple interest versus compound interest, the calculation for how much interest you actually pay for your loan is significantly different. So understanding how different loan programs work will help build a timeline and a game plan that can get you to your goal as soon as possible and as efficient as possible by saving the most amount of money. So, you know, we'll look at what you qualify for, but we'll also start you off with just the basic understanding on how loans work, because the main goal is, of course, to get you out of debt as soon as possible. If you qualify for a loan with a lender, most likely you qualify at multiple lenders, at multiple banks, right? So what's the difference? With everything so regulated now, the rates aren't that different. The cost isn't that different. So what's gonna be the difference? There is really no difference. You go to the bank, right? They might be faster, they might be better, but you're still just gonna get the loan. The goal is not just to get the loan, but have a game plan to get out of debt as soon as possible so that you can live your life, so that you're not tied to that mortgage forever, so that you understand how not to waste money and keep refinancing, right? Like if you can understand how to get out of debt as fast as possible, that should be just as important as how to get approved for the loan. And when you can combine those two together, you'll be surprised how amazing the experience of this home journey and building wealth can be, and how much less stress you'll have because you actually have a solid game plan in place.